Tesla Model S parking sensors might fail due to three primary reasons: dirt accumulation, accidental disabling in settings, or hardware faults. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing each issue. Let's start by understanding each cause and how to quickly identify it on your Model S. The first reason is dirt accumulation. When sensors get covered with debris like road salt or mud, they can't emit or receive sound waves properly. The second reason is accidental disabling. You might have turned off the parking assist feature in your vehicle's settings menu without realizing it. The third reason is hardware faults. This could be due to wiring issues, water damage, or sensor degradation over time. Dirt, road salt, or ice buildup can obstruct ultrasonic signals from Tesla Model S parking sensors. Visually inspect each sensor on your front and rear bumpers to check for buildup. Use a soft cloth and mild soap to gently clean the sensors. Avoid high-pressure washers, which can damage the sensors. In cold climates, isopropyl alcohol can help remove ice buildup. A clean sensor is a functional sensor. To check your Tesla Model S parking sensor settings, start by accessing the touchscreen controls. First, tap the Controls button on the main screen. From there, select the Autopilot option in the Controls menu. Then, navigate to Parking Assist to access the parking sensor settings. In the Parking Assist menu, make sure the feature is enabled. If it's off, toggle it on to activate your parking sensors. Also, check for the Ice Mode Diagnostics option, which is available in firmware versions 2024 and later. This helps prevent sensor issues in snowy or icy conditions. Remember, a quick check of these settings can often resolve parking sensor issues without needing repairs. If cleaning and settings checks don't resolve the issue, your parking sensors might be faulty. Tesla's onboard diagnostics can help identify problems through error codes like Park Assist Fault. Start by accessing Tesla's onboard diagnostics. On your vehicle's touchscreen, go to Controls, then Autopilot, and select Parking Assist to run tests or view error codes. Run a sensor test to see real-time readings. The system displays distance measurements and any faults. For example, normal operation shows clear distance readings, while a fault might show erratic or no data. If diagnostics show an error, you might see alerts like Tesla Park Assist unavailable on the screen. This indicates a faulty sensor that needs attention. Note the specific error code, such as Park Assist fault, and contact Tesla service or use it for further troubleshooting. Common causes include wiring issues or hardware degradation. Before beginning the sensor replacement, ensure you're comfortable with automotive repairs. This advanced procedure requires removing the bumper, which can damage the vehicle if done incorrectly. Always consult your Tesla repair manual first. To access the sensors, you need to remove the bumper. Start by locating the fasteners, usually screws and clips around the perimeter. Use plastic trim tools to avoid scratching the paint. Disconnect any wiring before lifting the bumper completely. Once the bumper is removed, locate the faulty sensor. Disconnect the electrical connector by gently pulling it apart. Remove any mounting hardware. Install the new sensor module, ensuring it's properly aligned. Reconnect the wiring and secure everything. After replacing the sensor, carefully reattach the bumper using all original fasteners. Test the parking sensors through the vehicle's touchscreen menu. Take the vehicle for a slow test drive to ensure everything works properly. Remember, this is advanced work. Professional service is recommended if you're unsure. If DIY repairs aren't your style, professional service is the way to go. Schedule a service appointment with Tesla through their app or website. Sensor replacement parts typically cost between $50 and $150 each, while labor runs from $100 to $300. If your Model S is still under warranty, which covers up to 8 years or 100,000 miles, the repair may be completely covered at no cost to you. Tesla's expanded global service network ensures quick fixes, often completed in just 2 to 4 hours. Regular cleaning is key to preventing sensor issues. Keep sensors free from dirt and debris to maintain their effectiveness. Also, be mindful of potential impacts during parking maneuvers. Avoid bumping into objects that could damage the sensors. Tesla's OTA updates often include sensor enhancements, so keep your software updated to benefit from improvements. Proactive maintenance can cut repair costs by up to 60%. Regular care helps avoid expensive fixes. Looking ahead, Tesla is pioneering the future of parking sensors through advanced sensor fusion technology. Tesla is moving towards sensor fusion, integrating ultrasonic sensors with cameras and radar for better reliability. This multimodal approach uses AI to cross-reference data, reducing false positives from weather or interference. By 2030, sensor fusion will become standard in 90% of electric vehicles. Tesla's adaptive algorithms address challenges like electromagnetic interference, while long-term autonomous driving may reduce dedicated hardware needs by 50% by 2035. Tesla engineers favor sensor fusion for its robustness, while some critics argue camera-only systems could simplify future designs. Regardless, ultrasonic sensors continue to offer cost-effective and efficient performance. Stay tuned for updates as Tesla's technology evolves.